Alright guys, we got a 825 order from Chipotle. We were at the house just hanging out, and then we went ahead and said, oh, let's turn on the dash, and within a minute we got a 825 order, so let's go.
Okay, so we picked up the order from Chipotle.
It said 1 of 1, Ricardo. So
okay.
1 of 1, so 1 bag.
1 bag. We'll go to the next here. Go that way.
We're on our way.
Okay, we just dropped it off. He was outside waiting for his order. So it was a pretty easy pass.
Alright, so DoorDash paid $3.25. Customer tip was $5 for a total of $8.25. Alright guys, so I just want to show you guys like the type of orders that I don't try to accept. 8.2 miles for $7, under $1 a mile is pretty far. So I just let it disappear. Goodbye. That's just a little too much driving for me. Alright guys, so we were passing up a couple orders. Just didn't seem that realistic to do some of them, you know, with the price. So we got one that was at 9 something, but now it's at 10.25. Since I didn't accept the offer, sometimes they raise the prices up, you know, for more of an incentive. So we went ahead and grabbed it. It's going to be 2 locations, 2 drop-offs.
Okay, so he's gonna do Pinecrest Bakery first, since it's in the same shopping center as Chipotle, which is back there. I don't know if you can see it. So he'll get that one first, and then he'll walk over there, and then I'll drive up to save time. Oh, or I guess not. He picked up the Chipotle one first, because I guess the app changed it. He dropped it off, and now he's going to the bakery, to Pinecrest Bakery, and go get the other order. Okay guys, hi, it's me, the getaway driver. He's coming back with the Pinecrest order. Is that ready?
Yeah. Café con leche. See you when we get there.
Okay, so we just got to the Pinecrest Bakery drop off. The customer has requested a contactless delivery, which is what we're doing. He's gonna make sure that that is the front door, because the addresses on these houses are really strange. Okay, so that's number 1.
Yep, number 1. Complete.
Should I?
Head west on Southwest 270th Terrace towards Southwest 1.
Okay, so we just got to the Chipotle address. The customer has asked for us to hand them the order, which is what he's doing. She came out. I guess she saw us on the app.
Alright, so this one was 10.25, and we're heading to the house now. Alright, we got an accident that sent this car flying. Go slower. Go slow, go real slow, because you don't want to run the debris over. So, look like she sent Buddy over here flying while dashing. Alright guys, today's Monday the 22nd. Our weekly ended. So this is what it looks like when you get an order. It'll pop up like that, new order. To pick up from here, take all the way to Florida City. We're not gonna take that one. For 5.3 miles, it's $2.50.
No.
So we're just gonna let that time run out. Or you can hit decline. I just let the time run out. Your acceptance rate does go down, but I mean, to drive 5.3 miles for $3.50, to me it's not worth it. Alright, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're gone. Alright, let you know when the next one comes up. So it just sent the same order back to me, but with a higher price, they raise the price a quarter as an incentive. I'll pass. All right, so another one from Chipotle came in for $6.50, and it says add order to route. This estimated time your current order will be updated. So this order, I'm just gonna hit decline because I don't want the additional one. I'm just gonna do the one that I had originally.
We just got to Chipotle. Wait, over there. It says Dr. To Chipotle. And he is on his way now to go pick up the order. I always try to park on this side of the shopping center because over there, people will not let you out. Or I mean, down here in Homestead when it comes to parking. So now we wait for him to get the order. Alright, so that was quick. The order must have been out there handy.
Today it was in the rack.
Oh, it was easier today?
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're gonna hit
We're going
confirm.
around.
And then we're going to direct.
Head south.
See you when we get there. Alright guys, we're going back to Chipotle to do another order.
So I parked somewhere new and I see him coming out now because I found it to be a little bit easier to get out of here in this corner than it would be over there. It's always pop in. So there he is, coming with our order.
Let's see, directions. This one's $5. It's going,
Head south.
yeah, 1 mile. See when we get there. 1 mile, for 1 mile, $5. That's really good.
Okay, so
Right? It says the same thing it said on that one.
yeah, it does.
201, so probably 203 is the top one right there on the left. Probably 201, 202, 203.
Okay, so we just got here and the customer has requested that he leave it at the door. Unfortunately, these apartments all say the same thing number wise, so now it's to figure out which which door is the correct door. Is it door number 1 or door number 2? I'm guessing that's where he's gonna place it. Take a picture. The guy coming in after him. Hopefully he'll snatch that order. There he comes. We dashing.
Yeah. Look.
That's him.
See you on the next one. We're declining this 6.4 to 6.4 miles for $6.75. Or we're just not gonna push it. It's just gonna leave. Goodbye. All right, there it goes. Customer tip 0.